Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app in your account. Once you're in your account, navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app, and you click on it. Then click on Install and navigate to Allow and Install. Once you're done installing your app, refresh the tab and head down to the custom page. The interface of the app is going to pop up where you have all the necessary features such as the documentation and everything you need to get started with the app is in here. You have the Smart Queue video and the walkthrough configuration video that is going to help you on how to set up your app. We have the app setup. Here the app has not yet been configured. No worries, let's walk you through that. Head to the account, recreate it online. You click on your sidebar profile picture. You click on administration. Then you click on integration and you click on API key. Then you click on new API and you give it, you're going to read the following questions and you answer them. When you are done answering all these questions, you make sure you toggle on all the usage agreements. And once you are done, you click on Save. Then we proceed by choosing the contact owner here, which is me, and toggle on all the options right over here. Once you are done, enter an API key name here. Then you click on Save. And your API key will be generated. Copy your API key, head back to your account, you click on Start Setup and paste the API key. Then we click on the Complete Setup and your app will be successfully configured. We have the support center where you will be able to get help from our support team via a call or a ticket. We have the changelog to track all the new updates and changes made on this app. And to be able to receive notifications, toggle on the notification button, insert your professional email, and you are good to go. You've learned how to install and set up your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.